We got Ethiopian food. Hee hee. I'm so excited, you guys. It's been ages. Actually, not really. It's been like 5 months since I've eaten Ethiopian food. But I've been craving it recently. I got the Dukem special beef tibs with yellow peas and their salad. Ah! And this stuff is called injera. And they gave me extra. When I say this is like the best meat I've ever eaten in my life, I'm not kidding. I also got extra peas because I remember loving them. Yum. Oh my god, yummy. I think these are lentils. It says yellow peas on the menu, but I'm pretty sure that's lentils.